Recently, the Defense Minister of India, Rajnath Singh, has handed over three indigenously developed technology to Army, Navy, and Air Force. The IMSAS Indian Maritime Situational Awareness System was handed over to Naval Chief Admiral Karamveer Singh. Then we have this Astra Mk1, which is a missile, and it is handed over to the Air Force Air Chief Master Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhattauria. And while we have also handed over a border surveillance system to the Army Chief of India, which is the Manoj Mukund Narwane. Now, all these three technologies are developed by India and is developed by Defense Research and Developmental Organizations laboratories. Now they are all indigenously developed, and thus they are proof that we are moving towards a higher self-reliance defense technology infrastructure, and also it proves our commitment towards the Make in India policy. Apart from handling over these weapons, Defense Minister has also given awards to the DRDO scientists for their outstanding contributions in the various categories. So first of all, let us discuss each individual uh, technologies individually. First, we have IMSAS, Indian Maritime Situational Awareness System. Now, it's a high-performance, state-of-art software. It's not a weapon; it's a software. Now, it provides global maritime situational pictures, marine planning tools, and analytical capability to the Indian Navy. Now, it also provides maritime operational pictures from naval headquarters to each individual ships in sea to enable naval commands and control. Now, the Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics (CAIR) Bengaluru, which is located in Bengaluru, and Indian Navy, they both of them has jointly developed and conceptualized this product. And apart from this, it was implemented by Bharat Electronics Limited, Bengaluru. Now we have Astra Mk1. Mk1 means Mach 1. Mach is a speed of missile, which is equivalent to the speed of sound. Now Astra Mk1 is basically a air-to-air launch missile, which means it will be launched from aircrafts such as Sukhoi, light combat aircraft, MiG-29, MiG-29K, and various other uh, aircrafts. Now, it is also a beyond visual range missile, which means it can fire beyond the vision. Globally, very few countries have expertise and capability to design and produce this class of weapon system, which is beyond visual range missiles. Uh, by visual range, will refers that our human vision is limited to a fixed direction. For example, human eyes can at maximum uh, see up to 5 to 6 kilometer, for example. But beyond that, if we have to fire our missile to any point here, then we will use certain other technologies such as satellite. There will be a satellite in sky which will detect a target point here, and then it will send the signal to aircraft which is located here, and then he will fire this missile as per the signals which is received by satellites, or it may use certain other method to fire this range. Now, this missile is designed to engage and destroy the Astra weapon system by Defense DRDO Lab, Defense Research and Development Lab, Hyderabad, and production by Bharat Dynamics Limited. Hyderabad is a major contribution towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. It is developed by DRDL, which is situated in Hyderabad, and it is produced by Bharat Dynamics Limited (BDL), which is also situated in Hyderabad. Now we will discuss about border surveillance system. It is basically used to detect the infiltrators which are coming inside from border ranges, or it may detect certain other weapons which the enemies nations are trying to and trying to forward towards our border range. Now, first of all, its special is that it is all-weather electronic surveillance system, and it is successfully designed and developed by Instrument Research and Development Establishment (IRDE), Dehradun. Now, it will be deployed at Ladakh border area for day and night surveillance, and thus it will facilitate monitoring and surveillance by automatically detecting the intrusions in harsh, high altitude, sub-zero temperature area, where and it will also have remote operation capability. Now, apart from these technologies, we will now discuss about the awards which are given to the scientists of DRDO. So first we will discuss about this Lifetime Achievement Award of 2018. It was awarded to NV Kadam for his contribution for developing the control and guidance system for missiles. And also we will see that award has been given in category of excellence, which is named as Excellence Awards, to the academia and industries for technology absorption. Now, apart from this major awards, there are which are individually given. We have also team awards. We have technology spin awards, and then we have techno managerial awards, which are awarded in various other categories. So that's it for today.